Welcome back to our channel Defense Career Academy. My name is Shyam Sundar Kohli, your social science teacher. Already hope you've seen your previous video, part first, second and third. Now we'll see the next part. Okay, so the French Revolutions for grade 9th CBSE. In the last period already we discussed about the different divisions in the society and the different problems where we happen into the society. Now we are discussing whatever problems where we happen at the place of France. So why such kind of problems where we happen? So that different philosophers where we start protest against the government because to increase the taxes, food prices and the system of government they want to change. So we will start in this period about the different ideology of the philosophers, why it happened and the protest against the government and what they want to change. Okay, so now why? Very important questions. Always I told you have to ask question why, when, how. Always ask WH question for history, then only you can get answer. Okay, see here, why food prices will be increased, why taxes will be increased and why the social divisions are there. So these all questions answers we will find one by one. This lesson is very important to find out the real problem of the social divisions. Okay, so now see here why these problems will be created. Why the tax will be increased, why food prices will be increased and what was the ideologies, what was the philosophers thought. Okay, listen here, there were several philosophers which were too much popular in that period, and due to the philosophers only in people's mind start to reject the nationalism's ideology. Already we discussed about the nationalism means what. Okay, that love or affections towards the country or the dedications towards the country. So due to the philosophers only it possible, okay, to resolve the problem. So now see here, there are the several philosophers in amongst here, that John Locke, one of the philosopher is there, then Jean-Jacques one of the philosopher is there, and the Montesquieu, one of the great philosopher, okay, at the place of France. Now we will see one by one. Actually, what is the main point of view, what is the main aim of the all philosophers, what they want, what they expect? Actually they want equality, they want freedom, eternity, they want liberty. So they say freedom for everyone, they want same freedom for everyone. All the peoples have to enjoy their life without any restrictions or the discriminations. All peoples have to enjoy their life without any discrimination. So same here, same freedom and the same government for all. No one discriminate on the basis of their caste, color, creed or nothing else. All have to enjoy the equal life. In our country already I told you, in our country also the different divisions are there, different caste, color, creed, religions are there. But then also people we are living together equally without any difficulties, without any pressurized. So same kind of people want to live here. Actually these ideas we adopted from the French Revolutions only. Okay, our philosophers learn from the French Revolutions only, and these they learn from these philosophers only. One by one we will see that. Then John Locke, what he want also the same, that same freedom and same government for all, same ideology. And also he thought that he read in his book that two treaties of government. Whatever system is running, it's totally wrong, it is not good for people. So he totally against the monarchy system. It is not too much, it is too much bad system for the people. Who said that? John Locke. And then see here the Jean-Jacques Rousseau, what he thought? He said that the social contract in his book, the Social Contract. This is the book written by the Jean. What is the name of the book? The Social Contract. In his book he written, if the leader and the rulers and the social leaders will be communicate with very properly, if they can think proper people's problem very properly, like a democratic way, without telling anything, they have to know the people's problem. They can solve the people's problem. They have to think about the people, not think about their own themselves only. So in his book he written Very well. Now more in deep. Nowadays also in most of the countries, which country follow the democratic type of democratic type of government, in that country we can see the different federal system. We will see in the one of the period. Okay, in 10th class already federal system is one of the topic is there. Federal systems, it is a different, more than one level of government is there. Government will be divided. Government organs also will be different. To solve the people's problem or for proper controlling the government, to reach towards the people, to resolve the people's problems, government we have to divide. So same here, Montesquieu said, what Montesquieu said, our whatever governmental power is there, no, we have to must be divide. Divide means what? How we have to divide? Listen, that actually it is very easy and easy way. He said, what Montesquieu said, that power must be divided in between three different organs. What? Legislatives, then after the executives, and then third one is the judiciaries. Let I explain about one by one. Legislative. Do you know well, our parliament is there, all the leaders are there, leaders which we appointed through election. That leaders will be sitting at one place that we call as the lower house and upper house. Okay, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. That parliament. Okay, in that parliament, the people who will be working over there, who will be they always discussing together to solve the people's problem. Okay, these all the leaders, parliamentary members, these all belongs to a legislature who have the power to change the laws. Who have power to change the laws. So they belongs to a legislative. Such kind of division of power. Then second, executive. Whatever rules, regulations or whatever laws will be made, that laws should be executed by the executive. Means what? Like whole the police department came, the main head of the the state or the district. Okay, like the collectors, the Tahsildar, Naib Tahsildars, all whole the police department, prime ministers, that president, all the leaders who are there now, main head, this belongs to a executive who can execute the law. Especially the police department came here. Then judiciary. If any person or in any community, any cause, may be found any error or they may be not applying the rules which may be applied by the government, not fulfilling or they can disturb others' law, others' freedom. So for such a people, we have to give a proper punishment, or for to give a proper justice, this judiciary is there. We can say that court. We can say that court. For example, in district level, we can see the district court or the subordinate court, and we can see in the state level that high court is there. And when we are to not getting the justice at the place of high court, we have to go to the Supreme Court at the capital place of country, at the Delhi place. Each state have their own high court. State-wise different court is there, we call it as a high court. So in this way, to give proper justice, judiciary, and each divisions, each power, it is totally independent power. Three organs, it is the independent power should they have. So such kind of the ideology is very effective, and that important that ideology or philosophy will be given by the Montesquieu. Okay, so I think you understood, and more in depth you can see in the politics also about these three: legislative, executive, and the judiciary. Okay, so I think today we discussed about the different problems which may be faced, and what was the problem that increased the taxes, and then after food prices, and also whatever systems where it's going on, whatever system is going on, that time system was going on, so they totally against the system, that also we discussed, and different philosopher and their philosophies, their books, and their different philosophies also we discussed. Okay, so in the next period we will see what the change came after these, all the philosophers will be told to the people what the change came into the society and how it changed affect into the French revolutions. Okay, so keep watch on our channel, and always like and subscribe and share our channel, and definitely you will get a new video It's coming soon. Thank you.